Hi everyone, welcome to Personal Finance Circle. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can start making money by investing in US stocks from Nigeria on the Bamboo app. Right now in Nigeria, there are a few apps that you can use to invest in US stocks, and the Bamboo app is one of the best of them. I have tried it out and I have decided to make a tutorial video on how to invest on the app. So ensure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important information. Now, before I go on, if you are new to our YouTube channel, welcome to Personal Finance Circle, where we teach you how to make, multiply, and manage money the right way. So if you love content like this, ensure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. And also, if you want to receive free finance tips into your email on how to make, multiply, and manage money the right way, you should subscribe to our newsletter. The link to subscribe will be in the description below. Now to how you can invest on the Bamboo app. The first thing you need to do if you don't have a Bamboo account is to create a Bamboo account, and you can use the link in the description of this video to create an account. Now once you have your Bamboo account, you can see on my screen that I'm on the home page. Now before you can start investing on the Bamboo app, you need to deposit money on the app. Now to deposit money on the app, you need to go to your account page right here where the arrow is pointing to, and once you get here, you'll be seeing the amount of money you have in your wallet. But if you don't have any money in your wallet, you need to deposit money into your Bamboo wallet. Now, so as not to make this video too long, I already have a video on how to deposit money into your Bamboo account and how to withdraw your money from your Bamboo account to your bank account. The link to that video will be in the description below. So ensure you watch that video so you can know the right way to deposit money into your Bamboo account. So let's say, for example, you've already deposited money into your Bamboo account. The next thing you need to do is to go back to your home page. Now I'll be showing you everything you need to know about the Bamboo home page. Now where the arrow is pointing to on the home page is the total value of your stocks on the app. So you can see that I have $125 worth of stocks on the Bamboo app. Now if you swipe to the left, you'll be seeing the amount you have in your fixed returns. Now I don't have any money in the fixed returns because I'm not investing in it, but I'll be talking about it later in this video. It is another way for you to invest your money in dollars on the Bamboo platform. Don't forget, I'll be talking about it later in this video, so make sure you pay attention. So right now, if you scroll down where you have my stocks, where the arrow is pointing to, that's where you see the amount of stocks you have in your portfolio. So as at the time of making this video, I only have Apple and VOO ETF in my portfolio. So I have Apple stocks worth of $54 and VOO ETF worth of $59 in my portfolio. So if you are investing in multiple stocks, you will see everything under my stocks on the home page. So if you keep scrolling up again where you have watch list, this is where you can add different stocks to your watch list. Maybe some stocks that you want to keep eyes on, or keep your eyes on so you can see how they are moving maybe for the next couple of days or months. You can add them to your watch list. So these are the stocks under my watch list on the Bamboo app. Now where I love the most is where you have this featured teams where you can check out categories to discover new stocks. So you can see you have fixed income ETFs, you have your watch list, you have biggest companies in the world, you have Warren Buffett portfolio, and if you keep scrolling, you can see you have Warren Buffett top 6 stocks, you have Charlie Munger's top 10 stocks, you have Carl Icahn top 12 stocks, Ken Griffin top 12 stocks, Bill Gates top 20 stocks, and so on. So let's say, for example, you want to check out Warren Buffett top 6 stocks. You can just tap on it right here and to show you the top 6 stocks in Warren Buffett's portfolio. So you can see he has Apple, American Express, Bank of America, HP Incorporation, Kraft Inc. Company, Coca-Cola Company. So these are the top 6 stocks in Warren Buffett's portfolio. So if you want to be like Warren Buffett, you can also start investing in these stocks. And also, let's say you want to check out Bill Gates top 20 stocks, just tap on it right here and to show you the top 20 stocks in Bill Gates portfolio. So you'll be seeing everything right here. So I love this feature a lot about the Bamboo app. Now if you keep scrolling on the home page, you see where you have top movers. Now these are the stocks that are making the biggest moves every day. So for today that I'm making this video, these are the stocks that have made the biggest moves in the market. So you can see PRLB has made 23% profit, LGF.A has made 19% profit, and you see the others as you scroll right here. And the next thing you see on the home page is where you have stock of the month. So there's always stock of the month on the Bamboo platform. And for this month, it is Apple, and that is actually my favorite stock to invest in. So currently on the Bamboo platform, Apple is the stock of the month. So you can also use that to invest in Apple if you want to do that. So if you keep scrolling, you see feature stocks and you see recent news in the stock market. So this is everything you can see on the home page. Now, before I actually go and show you how you can actually invest in a stock, let me show you something that is very important and crucial, especially if you are new to the stock market. Now, if you tap on the learn icon where the arrow is pointing to right here, this is where you can learn a lot of things on how you can start investing on the Bamboo platform, and also learning a lot about the stock market generally. So right here on the quick start guide, this is where you can see guides on how to secure your Bamboo account, how to buy stocks, how to sell stocks on Bamboo, how to fund your Bamboo wallet, and so on. And also, if you go to where you have glossary right here, you will see where you can learn about different terms in the stock market. You can see what is portfolio value, what is buying power, what is market cap, what is a 52-week high, what is a 52-week low, what is buy price, what is sell price, and so on. So if you're new to the stock market and you don't know all of these terms, you should check out these on the Bamboo platform. And not just that, if you scroll to where you have stock market basics. Now, if you are new to the stock market, this is where you can also learn some things on the platform. So you can learn what is a stock, why should I buy stocks, what determines the return on shares, how much should I invest in stocks, what is a stock exchange, what are stock prices, what stocks should I buy. These are important things that every beginner in the stock market should learn, and you can learn all of this for free on the Bamboo platform. And also, if you go to where you have beyond the basics right here, you can learn more advanced stuff in the stock market right here. So these are important things that you really need to learn if you are new to the stock market and if you want to be a profitable stock investor. Now, that aside, let's go back to the home page and let me show you how you can invest in a stock. So let's say, for example, you want to invest in Apple stock on the Bamboo platform. What you need to do is to come to where you have this search icon and tap on it and search for the stocks you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy Apple, you can basically type in Apple right there, or you scroll right here and search for the category of any stock you want to invest in. So let's say, for example, you want to invest in one of Warren Buffett's top 6 stocks. Just tap on it right here where the arrow is pointing to. And once you tap on it, it will show you all the top 6 stocks of Warren Buffett. So let's say you want to pick Apple out of the whole 6. Just tap on Apple right there. And right here to show you everything you need to know about the Apple stocks. So you can see on this chart right here to show you how the stocks has been doing for today. And if you tap on 1 week right here to show you how it has been doing for the last 1 week. And if you tap on 1 month, it will show you how it has been doing for the last 1 month. So you can see that from this day last month till this day I'm doing this video, the Apple stocks has gone up. And if you tap on 3 months to show you how it has gone up, you tap on 1 year to show you how it has gone up or down, and so on. And also, if you want to compare, let's say, Apple stock to another stock, you can tap on where you have compare stocks right here, and it's going to compare it with any other stock that you want to compare it with. Also, if you want to receive price alerts, maybe you want to receive notifications whenever the price goes up or comes down, you can tap on where you have price alerts right here. So let's say you now want to invest in Apple. What you have to do is just tap on buy right here where the arrow is pointing to. So once you tap on buy, there are 3 different options right here. The first one is to buy now. The second option is to buy when the price decreases, and the third option is to buy when the price increases. So let's say, for example, we want to buy now, which is what I always do. So I'll tap on buy now right here, and then you enter the amount you want to buy right there. So let's say, for example, you want to buy $30 worth of Apple stocks, or let's even say you want to buy $50 worth of Apple stocks. So it's going to show you the value in Naira. So in Naira, it is 38,000 Naira, and you can see the price per share is $150. So the price of one Apple stock is $150. And then you tap on preview buy right here. Now, if you already have money in your USD wallet or your dollar wallet on the Bamboo app, just tap on where you have USD wallet right here. And once you tap on it, it's going to show you the summary of your order. So you can see that the shares you are buying is 0.327417, and the estimated amount is $49.25. And that's because $0.75 is the commission or the fee that you are going to be paying. And once you've seen all of that, you come to the bottom side of the screen and tap on buy. So I've just bought Apple stocks right now. You can see this notification right here. Find it in my stocks. I Oluwafemi. You can find your recently bought stocks under the my stocks section on your home page. So just tap on done right here. And once you go to the home page, you see that the value of the stocks I have on the platform has increased to $174. So that's the simple way to invest on the Bamboo app. Now let's, for example, you don't want to invest in stocks and you want to invest in dollars on the Bamboo app. This is how to go about it. Now at the bottom side of the screen where you have this invest icon, just tap on it. And when you tap on it, you tap on where you have fixed returns. Now if you tap on fixed returns right here, you can see you can get up to 8% dollar returns easy. All you have to do is just start investing dollars on this platform and you'll be getting 8% returns every year. So once you want to do that, you tap on start investing right here and then you enter the amount you want to invest right here. So let's say, for example, we want to invest just $5 just for this video, and then you select the tenure you want to invest for. So once you tap on this tenure right here, you pick whether you want to invest for 90 days, 180 days, 270 days, or 364 days, and you'll be seeing the percentage you'll be getting per annum. So if you are investing for 90 days, you'll be receiving 4.5%. If you are investing for 180 days, you'll be getting 5.5%. If you are investing for 270 days, you'll be getting 6.5%. And if you are investing for 364 days, you'll be getting 8%. So let's, for example, you want to invest for 364 days. Just tap on 364 right here and tap on preview investment. And right here, you'll be seeing the summary of your order or the summary of your investment. Right here, you're seeing the start date and the maturity date right there. And then the next thing is to select your payment type. So whether you want to pay from your USD wallet or your Naira wallet, or you want to pay with a dollar card. So if you have money in your wallet already, so you can see I have $18 left in my dollar wallet on the Bamboo app, then I'll pay through my USD wallet and tap on USD wallet right here. And just like that, you can see investment successful. Your fixed returns investment of $5 for 364 days has been successfully executed. Now, one more thing before I go is that in case you have any problem about using the app or your investment or with your money, you can actually reach the Bamboo customer service by tapping on the help icon right here at the bottom side of the screen. And once you tap on it right here, you'll be able to chat with the customer service right here and they will be replying you immediately. And don't forget, if you want to learn the step-by-step guide on how to deposit and withdraw your money from the platform, I said I have a video on that already. The link will be in the description below. So that's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can start investing in US stocks on the Bamboo app in Nigeria. Also, if there's any video you want me to make about this, let me know in the comment section below, or if you have any questions at all, let me also know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter to receive free finance tips in your email every week.